Alright guys, so here's the deal. In this episode of the yellow 2103, or what the heck we should call this car, we are getting it home again. So I'm on my way to the paint shop right now, and we're going to check out every single part of the finalizing process. And go! What do you think?
Looks great. It's going to be great.
So now it's going to paint it white first.
Yeah. And then green.
White and then green, right?
White and
And then green.
what green? What green?
He grew up in a Lada,
Yeah.
so that's why it looks so good. Yeah? Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
All right. Hot. Oh. Think it's good?
Yeah, I'm happy. Looks good.
Me too. Looks really nice. But you guys never get happy.
I see little stuff what I don't like to see, but overall it's really awesome.
So you think it's ready for clear coat?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. This first layer didn't dry enough. Didn't full dry.
No.
Second layer also didn't full dry. So if we lay again one more dry layer like clear coat,
Yeah.
it can start
Sagging, yeah.
six. So if we wait long enough for clear coat, then beautiful.
You wait as long as you need to. I'm super excited. Because we need to paint the air tank and pay tribute to the Russian people on this one. Yellow as well as the control arms. Where's the last one? There. We have to paint them yellow because they can't be blue. No good. No good. Now the complete kit is painted. Sergey, look at this. The only thing that's blue now is the brackets on the bags, but I have to black them out.
Fucking shell lager we installed. Chiquita banana. Logo.
Finally, the car is coming home, and thanks to these guys, Misha, Linas, at
The honor.
Marshall Paints.
Paintsky,
It doesn't. The name is not that anymore, but it's Marshall Valdres.
but I'm still old school. It's my
Old
first
school,
name.
yeah. So thank you guys a lot.
Thank you too.
Now back home to installing the AIRRIDE system.